National Prevention Week. The idea is to raise public awareness of mental health and substance use disorders. And Connecticut is marking the week with some great activities to help young people get engaged in prevention early on, because that, again, is the idea. Happy to have with me now Deborah Lake from the Governor's Prevention Partnership to tell us more about the week and how you can get involved. Deb, pleasure to meet you.
Nice
Good
to
to
meet
see you in person after doing it
good morning.
by Zoom last year. Please,
just
start by telling us about the Prevention Partnership and the week, what it's all about.
Sure, yeah. So National Prevention Week is federally supported, and in the state of Connecticut, we have a multi-agency committee that works together to really get families and communities involved in substance use prevention.
Yeah.
Each day of this week has a different theme that includes different substances, preventing suicide, preventing problem gambling, and really promoting local activities and engagement that really happen throughout the year.
Yeah, and this was something, at least just looking at in terms of opioid use, this was a problem and a growing one before the pandemic.
Yes.
Add on all the stresses of the pandemic for substance use and mental health otherwise, I imagine the need for these programs are greater than ever, right?
Absolutely, yes. And luckily we have a lot of different resources throughout the state. That includes our organization. We have different trainings. Even this morning, we have a training on current trends of substance use.
Yeah.
And it really highlights what is happening, what youth are seeing in their schools and in their communities. And really for any parent or concerned adult, they're welcome to join us to learn a little bit more about how to start the conversations at home, and make it easier so that, you know, they can really prevent that.
It can be so hard, too.
Yeah.
Also, something going on this weekend you wanted to make sure you mentioned, right?
Yeah, so the National Prevention Week Committee has developed an event on Saturday, May 14th at the Discovery Museum in Bridgeport. We will have the Change the Script resource van. We will have Stella, our prevention starfish.
Yes, and we will get to Stella in a second.
Yes, and we will have lots of other resources and resource vans available. So it's really an engaging activity to help young people see how prevention, you know, is an everyday thing.
Yes, it is. And you mentioned this is a multi-agency effort. That means there's a lot of help, a lot of resources. That's where Stella comes in. If you want to come out here and take a look here at the camera, Deb, you gave me one of these that you're going to be giving to people. It's got Stella on it, and then on the flip side, they've got that QR code. That really helps because I already scanned it. You scan it and popping it right up here on your phone. You see, there's a list of, I'm only showing you the first 20 out of about 40 different links for you here if you want to use Stella Starfish.
Yep. And Stella is a sticker, so that's, you know, my toddler loves that.
Yeah. Where did the idea for Stella come about?
Well, actually, it started last year. We really wanted to engage young people and make it something that they could be interested in.
Yep.
And so that's where we thought a mascot would be great. And Stella and her arms kind of recognize the different aspects of prevention. There's lots of different areas.
Yeah.
And, you know, as you can see here, we have some little social media tiles with mini lessons around things that families can do, like family dinner, volunteering, being engaged in your community. That all actually is substance use prevention.
Yeah. Stella plays soccer. Who knew?
Yeah, exactly.
Taking a free kick there. That's great. It's great to have everything centrally sort of located like that. And like you keep saying, with prevention, almost by definition, the earlier the better. So it's great to see what you guys are doing. Deb, thanks for taking the time
Thanks
to see
so much.
us.